Over the top. You ride your luck and you often get away with it.
Well, Andre Nel not amused at all. He's trying to stare down Gautam Gambhir, who offered to stare him back in the face, but this is why. Went for the hook, getting the top edge, getting a bit of a fortuitous boundary there, but they all count. Gambhir is going to play his normal game. Now, this is where they both had it out.
Well, I wonder who said what first. Don't have to really wonder what, but war of attrition.
Both of them very charged up indeed, as they should be. Gambhir's got to keep his concentration going. It's an important innings that he has to play here. South Africa at the moment have a stranglehold on proceedings.
That could be 4 more. It'll stretch Pollock. It has, to no avail. Now there's words now between Nel and the umpire. Now the umpires are going to get together. There's yeah, I think maybe quite a few words have been said. Nice, this has been done. Yeah, smile, old lad, smile, says umpire Daryl here. The captain stands its lip.
Well, I did see Nel complaining to the umpire, but all's well.
25 for 1. Bowled. You always know the good deliveries that Andre Nel bowls, because he follows through to within a yard or so of the batsman. You'll find if he bowls a half volley, gets hit for 4, he doesn't follow through quite so far. Nice little smile though.